Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we will discuss about light mix. How can we change the light, color, intensity and many more things we will discuss about in this tutorial. Let's get started. Well, we have this scene. First of all, we will select light sources just like this. This is hang light. I will isolate this and give it a sphere light, something like this. We will place light inside this object accordingly, just like this, and give it proper naming so that we can change the intensity, color, etc. after applying light mix. We can change few settings just like multipliers and temperature. We can change temperature of this light. Just I'm giving it temperature light, it means warm light. I will show you how it is looking in render. Just like this, you can see in render light effect. Okay, that's it. Now we will check another light. We will give it table lamp, just like this. We will isolate this one, select this one, isolation, and we will give it a sphere light. No, we can apply the same light which we assigned in previous object. We will drag it, make it copy and give it instance so that we can change anything in previous light. It will affect on this, just like this. Okay, you will place it and you will manage it inside table lamp light source. That's it. We will check once again. Now you can see this kind of effect generated. Okay, it's looking quite nice. Yeah, now we'll move to another light, which is this one. We'll manipulate this, we'll isolate this and give it rectangle light. Go to parameters, rename it hang light. I will give it to disk light and manage it inside this, and few changes, few settings we will give it, just like this. You can change it direction. Its targeted has gone down. We can manage that accordingly. The scene, it's like this. Floor to floor, just like this. That's it. Now we will manage radius of this light and check once again render, and you can see it is burning, something like this. We can manage intensity. Go to multiplier 1 and give it temperature light. It's temperature 3250, something like warm light, and you can see You can see. Now move to another light. This is scope light. We will select the source. We will select the source for scope light, this one, and isolate this one, and make a duplicate of this object. Just like this. And scale down bit like this, and give it to mesh light from the Vray toolbar. This one, mesh light. Now we will check the effect pivot. We will take it to center. We will manage it accordingly and push it bit up like this, and we will check render once again. We will give it proper naming, and you can see how it is looking in render. That's cool. After placing all the light in the scene, we'll move to render settings and we will apply light mix element. So go to element mode and add light mix. We will select light mix and give it few adjustment, individual layers, and I will render it. And we can see we have light mix properties right here, and you can adjust light, color, intensity, and many more. You can adjust these settings one by one: color, intensity, enable, disable light mode, and many more things. So this is the end of this tutorial. If you will like this tutorial, subscribe channel, share video, and do whatever you want. Thank you.